We do have an update to a story we brought you yesterday. The province says it will hire an external investigator to review how another batch of government emails went missing, something revealed this week in a report from PEI's Privacy Commissioner. Our political reporter, Carrie Campbell, is standing by live with more outside the legislature tonight. So, Carrie, tell us about this investigation.
Well, Louise, the PCs really had to do something here because when they were in opposition and the Liberals were in power, the PCs came in day after day for weeks with questions about deleted emails and concerns raised by the Auditor General in her e-gaming report. So here we have another batch of deleted emails from the same time period, which is going back 8 to 10 years ago now. The fact that they were deleted was a breach of the Archives and Records Act. The fact that government wouldn't admit that the emails were missing, that was a contravention of the Freedom of Information Act. And those denials continued right up until July of last year. So the word today now that an external investigator will be brought in.
So there's a couple things. Obviously, one, we want to get to the bottom and do an investigation to see, on the records management side, to see how this is even possible, what took place, and to make sure it doesn't happen again, as well as look at our existing infrastructure. You know, as a province and as a government, this shouldn't even be a topic. We should have a system in place that this doesn't happen.
Now, Louise, keep in mind the previous government also explored its records management system and made changes in response to those other deleted emails. So presumably that should have fixed whatever problems there were with government's archiving system.
So, Carrie, what could happen as a result of this investigation? Could someone actually be charged?
Well, one thing to note, Louise, if the emails were actually deleted in a specific attempt to evade public scrutiny, then that is an offense. However, if the Privacy Commissioner believed that was the case, then it was her role to send this file off to the Attorney General. She chose not to do this. Now, the minister today said this isn't about, having repercussions if anyone is found responsible for this, but he also wouldn't rule out that possibility.
So this topic has come up on what is the start of the fourth week of this sitting.